Ladies and gentlemen, I came here today to chew bubble gum and eat Rice Krispie Treats cereal. But guess what, sunshine? I don't have any bubble gum today. I also don't have any Rice Krispie Treats cereal because they took it away from us. But one of these things I know how to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it. My name is Stefan Johnson. This is We Tried It. The first thing you want to do is to thoroughly lube up your pan so your treats do not stick once they set. The second things become stuck to pans, your party is over. And we don't want that. I don't want that for you. I want better for you. Next, you're going to take a saucepan, put it on about medium to low heat, and you're going to take your almost half stick of butter and melt that down. This isn't going to take long. It's butter. It's not vibranium. Next, you're going to stir in about 4 cups of your mini marshmallows. Add in a bit of milk to make it a little bit creamier. Keep on stirring that until it's a smooth and creamy texture. The full recipe for this is going to be in the description box below. Just look at that. Rich, creamy, goopy. Ladies and gentlemen, I would eat this right now without any shame. It shouldn't take more than about 2 minutes to get this really broken down. And then you're going to remove this from the heat. Next, you're going to take your mixture and you're going to stir in about 5 cups of your cereal. So we're going to fold this in slowly but surely, incorporating every last little bit, making sure every little, wait, do you hear that? Do you hear that? It's the sound of my people. All right, and once that's all stirred up, you're going to retrieve your baking pan and you're going to just spread it as evenly as possible just to make sure it all cools and sets. It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to just crunch it up once it sets anyway. Also, make sure you try a little bit of it off the spatula for quality control and science or something. That's some good science, I tell you what. And then once you have it pretty much set like this, give it maybe about 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, a little less, just until it's set solid. And then the real fun will start. All right, we are back about 30 minutes later. As you see, this is set pretty much solid. So I'm just going to take a spoon, and honestly, all we're going to do is just break it up. No real plan here. We're just trying to get these into bite-sized pieces that we can pour into a bowl. Be sure to pour your milk first. It's honestly the most efficient way to eat your cereal. Don't come at me. It's true. And then you're just going to put a few bits of your cereal in the bowl. Oh my God, part fell. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have Rice Krispie Treats cereal. Without further ado, let's see what we got here. We have something here, folks. I have not had Rice Krispie Treats cereal in years. Folks, I'm gonna need you to stop whatever you're doing. Pick up some Rice Krispies, some marshmallows, and try this out. And the thing about this is it's so potentially versatile. You can add candy to this. You can add cinnamon nutmeg to this and have different variations of Rice Krispie Treat cereal. What more do you want from me? I'm trying to make the world a better place. All right, folks, that about wraps it up for me. This has been We Tried It. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do me another favor. In the comments, leave me a message letting me know what you want us to try. Is there something discontinued from the fast food, from the snack, from the beverage world you want me to try and make? Is there some kind of trend or celebrity dish that you want me to try to make? We can make anything happen. But again, this is Stefan signing off. I bid you adieu. This is We Tried It, where we go through all of the strenuous effort to bring back things that you have never had. Do we do that here? Will you join me on this journey? Take my hand. I will lead the way. I promise. I washed it. I will wash it, and then you will take my hand and join me on this journey.